Hello students. Now we come to the point Python module. Basically module, the meaning of module is a collection of function, classes and variables. Again, this is very important because math is a module and different modules are there. Now what is module? Basically module is a collection of, you can say, functions, variables, classes. So these are the things. And what does it mean? Variable? Variable is an identifier which can change the value during the execution of the program. So classes, again, there are different classes are there. Functions, self-contained block of programs are there. So module have individual component and we can say separate unit for solving any complex problem. We can define number of documents, programs, and we can n number of functions are there. Whatever functions we are using, we can use it through that module. Like these are the things. Whenever you are saving any Python file, .py extension is there. First thing. And in that module, function, constant is a fixed thing which cannot change the value during the execution of the program. Variable and constant can store the value. Classes, already classes are there. We can create object of this class. Object is an instance of class which represent or we can access any functions method. A statement is a group of expression. Any statement always terminated by, we can say, enter in Python. And functions are block of code, we can say. And whenever the same things revise, same things required, we can use it, that function. Now, composite structure of Python module. Module have variable, function, variable. These variable are part of function. These variable are, we can say, global variable, classes, members and methods. Now what does it mean, methods? Again, the meaning of method and functions are same. Other Python module, import it, function, import it, other Python module, import it. Anytime we can import it, anything. How to import any Python module? To import in entire Python module, import and module name. So import is the keyword and module name is the name of the module. We can access it. And if we are importing any module, we can directly write it to function. And second thing, to import a specific function object from module import function name. Now what is the difference between these two? Here we have to write it module name dot function. Here directly write it function. So can be used to import all names from module in the current calling method. See it in next slide. Module name dot function name and print it in normal function. Module name dot function name. So example I am giving it. This is the function import and module name math.sqrt. This is the first approach. Now if I want to see second approach from module name dot function name. Here import math.sqrt. Now this is the simple Python program for find out the square root of any number. Import math method.sqrt. This is a fixed number. Run it. 5.0 will be the answer. Now suppose if I am inputting it, number equals to input enter number. Number inputting it, convert it integer, we can directly pass it to n. Now whatever number we are inputting, we have to find out the square root. 36. Now what does it mean? N is not defined. Number is the practical, NO. (36) 6.0. Even we can also perform it through float. Suppose I am integer float, float, 36. So float, integer, both will perform it. Again, if you want to find out square root as well as power, square root of a number and power. POW. Power. 9. Two parameters are there. 9 power 2. Because power requires two parameters. 5. 5 का 2.5 और 25 is the power. Now thing is, from module name import function. Through this approach we can apply. Single quotes put it. Again explaining it, from module name math. Import function name like sqrt. Then directly write it, print sqrt 25. That is the difference. Now what is the basic difference between these two? Import module name and from module name dot import. So there is no need to write here math 2 times. You have to write it module in 1 time in this equation. 1 time I have write it from math import sqrt. And here import math, then math dot sqrt again. So these two things are there. Again the thing is same, but again and again there is no need to write it module. So this situation have advantage, we can use n number of functions. That is the main thing. Here we have to use it in specific area. मतलब हमको बस sqrt फंक्शन यूज करना तो बताना पड़ेगा, पावर यूज करना तो फिर पावर भी लिखो. कॉमा 2 ये 3 लिख देते हैं. ये that is the main thing. So this is the main advantage of module. मतलब यहाँ the bottom side there is no need to write again that module math dot here. There is no need to write math here. There is no need to write math. But here we have to write it. But that is the advantage because if we are writing direct module name, we can write it access method anytime. That is the main advantage. Now come to the point. Module name dot function name. There are various inbuilt module in Python. We'll discuss few of them. Math module, random module, statistical module. Actually, there are n number of modules are there. Python is very vast. Math module I have discussed it. Random and statistical module are also there. Can use it. This module provides math module, various functions to perform arithmetic operations. Square root we have seen it. POW we have seen it. Example of variable in math module are pi, any. So functions sqrt is find out square root, field, floor, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, power, fabulous. These are the examples of functions of math module. sqrt already explained it. POW explained it. Still this function return the x rounded to the next. For math steel, math dot steel 45.25. Now see it here. Math model 1 or math model 2 steel function and floor function. Math dot steel. (26) rounded to the next integer. That is the main thing. POW already see x rounded to the next integer. Floor, next floor, floor 5.9. X rounded to the previous integer. X rounded to the previous integer. Floor. Floor. Now see the output. Sorry. Floor. $26. C will complete it. It will convert it in. It will display next integer. Again, it will display next integer. But here, it will display previous integer. That is the basic difference between ceil and floor. So these are functions ceil, floor, pow, square root, sin x, sin 30, the value of sin 30, the value of sin 30, round. Round means one digit, two digit that will be executed. Cos x, tan x again, and the return value of pi is 22/7. E stands for exponent form. Return the constant value of constant t. Method dot e, method dot pi. We can also print it that two values, method dot pi or method dot e. Print /n math dot pi math dot pi or method dot e. Compile it. 3.15 value of pi is 3.14. Even we can also find out two digit. Round function you can use it. ROUND. Two. Execute it. Two digits. It will display two digits. So round is the main important thing. 22/7. E exponent form, everything explained it. Random module. Actually, random module will generate random number. The meaning of random numbers means by any number generated within the given range. To generate random number in Python, we have to import random module. Two common method, most method used to generate random numbers in Python: random function and rand int. These two, actually, the meaning of method and function is same. The meaning of method and function is same. So random function and random method. In random function, only no parameter is passing, and in random function passing two parameters. It is a floating point random number generated between 0 to 1.0. Here is the lower limit, including the upper limit is always less than 1. Example. So here random dot random. Now what does it mean? Random, first random is module and second random is the function. That is the most important thing. Output is less than. So in a random function, generate 0.02 1.1. See the output, see the things. It will directly print it. 0, select a random number. So one random number is generating 0 to 1.1, 0.0 to 1.0. So lower limit is 0.0 and higher limit is 1.0. Again, to generate the random number between given range of value using random, the following format should be used. Lower range plus a random number into upper lower range. Upper range plus lower range. For example, to generate the number between 10 to 50. So actually lower range plus random number into upper range dash lower range. के बीच में आपको देखना लोअर रेंज so 40 and we can print it. Random dot random. These are the things. So in second situation it will display in between 10 to 50. आउटपुट जो आएगा वो 10 to 50 के लिए. So that is the meaning of random function. Again, one another function is also there, that is ranint. Both the given range value are inclusive if we generate random numbers. Ranint 20 to 70. Ranint 20 to 70. ये एक बार तो डायरेक्ट उसमें प्रिंट कर लिया. AIX equals to 10 to 80. Print X. ये 10 to 80 के बीच में this number will generate will display. But that is integer and above 2 are showing in float. Float means decimal value. So that is the advantage of range function. But it generates integer number. Both the given value range are inclusive. Here is the program. Guess me number computer generated 20 to 30 while ans equals to y. Generate 20 to 30, changing remaining count, enter your answer, guess, congratulations. So these are the examples of generate number. It will generate 20 to 30 random numbers. Yeah, guess which number computer generate with 30. Total 3 chances for that. 3. Change remaining. Your answer is 21. 2, 22, 1, 23. 3 numbers generated. Oops, you all lost your chance. Number was 25. Please try again. Yes. वो process करते रहेंगे. That is the process, processing things, and that will be the output. Now next is giving the following Python code which is repeated 4 times. 4 बार repeat हुआ. What could be the possible set of outputs or out of 4 sets add in any combination? Import random 15, print 15 plus random into 5. 5 times जो नंबर आ रहा है उसको 5 टाइम्स लेके और 15 प्लस करना. That is the example. Next, read in 310 minimum possible maximum possible numbers of following code. 3 ये तो range है. In a school class, there are 3 commonly chosen student out of 100 students. In roll number 1 to 100, have to present the bucket to guest. Help the school authorities choose 3 students randomly. 3 students choose करना उसके लिए. Only 3. Values ये list के according values दी 1 3. 3 value दी. Last begin 4 वही 1 3. Begin comma last plus 1. Print values 1 dash. 30 dash 40 dash 50 dash. पहली वैल्यू. दूसरी है 30 40 50 60. तीसरी है 10 20 30 40. फोर्थ है 40 50 60 70. वैल्यूज असाइन कर दी. पहले वाले में बिगिन लिया, दूसरे वाले में लेस लिया. एक्चुअली ये लूप लगा है तो हमको 4 शुरू में आपकी जो आएगी वो 3 वैल्यूज आएंगी. ये 3 आई, फिर उसके बाद 4 आएगी. अब चूंकि बिगिन प्लस लास्ट प्लस 1 दिया है, 4, तो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ 4 वैल्यूज विल डिस्प्ले. ऐसे पिकर भी आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो. पाइथन कोड पॉसिबल. आउटपुट फ्रॉम ऑप्शंस. Also we write minimum next to the value that can be assigned to the variable picker. Picker से आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो. तो ब्लू पिंक रेड ये सब है. आई थिंक clear all the concept. If you have any query, you can ask on comment box.